Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to unbox for you Vanity Cask Box. Now Vanity Cask is a luxury subscription box in India which provides skincare, hair care and makeup products. Before even starting, let me first appreciate the packaging of this box. It is of a very good quality, it is a very sturdy box, it comes with a magnetic lid and it is totally reusable. The packaging itself speaks that it is a luxury subscription box. All the products in the Vanity Cask box come in a satin cloth and there's also a very nicely printed booklet which guides through all the products included in the Vanity Cask box. The very first product is a face serum by Votre. This aqua-rich revitalizing serum is enriched with virgin cold-pressed oils, herbal blends and innovative molecules, which helps to brighten the complexion and reduce fine lines. Next, we have two sheet masks from the brand MOND'SUB. One of them is the Cherry Facial Mask. The next sheet mask is the Anti-Wrinkle and Moisturizing Facial Mask. Next, we have Botanical Gel Creme by the brand Votre. This mineral-enriched gel cream has SPF 35 in it and it also has PA+++, which is your perfect best friend sunscreen this summer. Next, we have a sample size shower gel by the brand MCaffeine. Next, we have a day moisturizing gel by Votre. This is a non-oily and non-greasy cream which has SPF 25 in it. Next, we have a herbal hair pack by the brand Mom's Therapy. This hair pack has 9 different herbs in it which nourishes the hair and enhances the hair growth. And lastly, we have a body lotion by the brand SOVA. This is a sample-sized product and it contains jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, shea butter, soya extracts and beetroot extracts. Overall, I really liked the Vanity Cask box. The box itself is reusable. All the products inside it are from luxury brands and are very good. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Don't forget to press that little bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I would really appreciate if you follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.